Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been doing something for a long time and suddenly realized how much time has passed? For example, I have been waiting my friend for an hour. Sound familiar, right? Well, that's the present perfect continuous tense. Today I will explain this tense in a super easy way. Let's get started. First of all, definition of present perfect continuous tense. It is used to show an action that started in the past and is still happening or has just stopped. Of this tense is first of all subject plus has have plus been verb ing plus object. Look at this picture. This person looking tired. Why? Because they have been exercising for an hour. The action started in the past and is still happening or just finished. This table helps to you understand present perfect continuous tense. With the subject I, you, we, they, any plural noun we use always have. With the singular person he, she, it, any name we use has. This is a formula of affirmative sentence. Subject plus has have been plus verb ing plus object. Formula of negative sentence. Subject plus has have plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, I haven't been sleeping well lately. This one is interrogative sentence. Formula of this sentence is has have plus subject plus been plus verb ing object. Example, have you been studying for the exam? Is uses of present perfect continuous. First is action started in the past and are still happening. Example, I have been teaching for 5 years. Is actions that have just stopped but have visible results. She has been cooking all day. That's why she looks so tired. In this example, actions that have just stopped but have visible results. It is very main thing of this tense because in this tense we use since and for. Fine, when we talk about duration, that case we use for. Like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 years. Example, I have been learning English for 2 years. Starting point is 2023 and ongoing until now 2025. Timeline representation 23 to 25. Still learning. This example uses for because it shows a duration. Since a specific point in a time like morning 2010 last week. Example, he has been waiting since 10 am. Starting point 10 am ongoing until now. Current timeline representation is 10 am. Still waiting. This example we use is since because it shows a specific starting time. Examples we talk about a specific time. That's the reason we use since. I blank learn English for 6 months. 3 number is blank you blank wait for me long time. So let me know what is your answer of these blanks. I will check them. Correct them. He have been playing football since morning. Here we use have. Is it right and wrong? Please tell me. This has. Is it correct? We use has or have. Please let me know in the comment section. You write 5 sentences to describe this picture of using this tense. Homework for you. First one is you have to fill in these blanks and second one is correct these mistakes and third one is describe this picture by using this tense. Okay, now great job. Today we learned about the present perfect continuous tense. Remember, it's used for action that started in the past and are still happening or just finished. We use for with durations and since with point in time, specific time. Don't forget to practice. Comment your own sentences below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing English lessons. Thank you. Take care. Bye.